Welcome to Chapter 1, Part 3. In this episode, our aim is to get the new game mode set up for our game. We're also going to learn what is the purpose of game modes and how they are used. In a game, we have rules, and that is what depicts a game from play. Part of those rules are win states and lose states, as well as general game rules that may be applied. In Unreal Engine 4, we use something called a game mode to keep track of these rules and dictate how the game is played. Now for our maze game, we need to create a whole new game mode. So I'm going to go into my content browser, click on my content button here to go back up to the root, and then go add new and blueprint class. And in this new window you get to choose what kind of blueprint you want to create. And you'll see one of the most common classes is a game mode base. Choose this by clicking on it. We now get to name it. I'll name my one Maze Game Mode. And this game mode has just a simple blueprint system as well as some various default settings available to us. More on that in the next episode. But first, let's get our project using this game mode instead of the default blank game mode. Go up to UC Edit and go into Project Settings. In your Project Settings window, you'll see an option on the left hand side called Maps and Modes. Click on this button and you can see the various options available to us. Right at the top you'll see Default Game Mode, and it's currently set to Game Mode Base. Click on this drop down and choose your Maze Game Mode. If you want, you can also change the editor startup map and the game default map. These are the maps that are launched both for the editor when you start the editor up, and also when you launch the game, what will be the first map it loads up. So to make things easier for us in making our game, we're going to change this temporarily to Maze 1 for both of them. Later on, when we make a menu system, here we'll determine that the menu will be the first screen that's loaded up. We can close this tab and that's it. Our settings are set up now to use a new game mode. If you open up the game mode, you'll get presented with the blueprint system as well as the default settings on the right hand side. The default settings here tell us what are going to be loaded up as the defaults at the start of the game or at the start of this level. A game mode is tied to a level. So as a level is loaded up, so is a game mode. It is not persistent between levels. That's quite important. So here you'll see default pawn class. This is going to be the option that we're going to be changing in the next episode. We're going to create a new character and tell it to load up the default class that the player will be using. At the moment, the default pawn is being used, and that is simply just a camera control. This is no good because we actually want to control a character in our maze game. So that'll do for this chapter, episode 3. So join us in episode 4 where we're going to create that new character. Thank you very much for watching this episode. If you like what I do and you want to see more content before anyone else, please consider supporting me for at least $1 over on patreon.com/RyanLaley. For just $1, you can get access to all these videos early before anyone else, sometimes well ahead of anyone else. And I'll take this moment to say a big thank you for all my supporters so far in supporting me in making this channel content. Wouldn't be doing this without you guys, so a big thank you to all of you. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.